Dhyana Linga is multidimensional, that's what it's unique about it. It is being consecrated with all the 7 basic chakras. I call it a miracle because this is a possibility. The sphere of Dhyana Lingam, the energy of Dhyana Lingam will create a possibility for every human being who comes in contact with this, either actually in its vicinity or just in his consciousness, if he is just willing, to open himself up. It will be available to him, it will become a possibility for him to know life in its utmost depth, to experience life in its totality.